Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a new avatar on Facebook using your PC, featuring the latest updates. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to create and customize your very own Facebook avatar. First, let's get started by opening Facebook on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile options. Next, click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. From here, navigate to the Accounts Center by clicking on it. This section allows you to manage multiple profiles and accounts linked to your Facebook login. Click on Profiles to view all the profiles you manage. Now, select the profile for which you want to create an avatar. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see the Avatar section. Click on it to begin the avatar creation process. In the Avatar section, you'll have the option to choose from various pre-designed avatars or create one from scratch. Select the avatar that best represents you, or feel free to customize it further by choosing different features like hair, skin tone, and outfits. Once you've chosen your avatar, click on Done to save and set it as your new Facebook avatar. This will update your profile with the new avatar, making it visible to your friends and followers. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your Facebook profile with a personalized avatar that reflects your personality and style. Avatars can be used not just as profile pictures, but also in stickers and posts, adding a fun and creative touch to your interactions on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of creating a new avatar on Facebook using your PC. Enjoy expressing yourself creatively with your customized avatar.